Hello, it's Prince Leverage Lane back again with another macro video. In this video, I want to show you an Excel macro that will create a tab per filter value in a column you select. Let's see it in action. Alright, let me navigate to Excel to show you this new macro, create tab per filter value, and the column I want to focus in on for this video is the hiring department name in column D. And you can see I have a variety of different values in here, and if I actually apply a filter to this row, I can investigate this column a bit more, and I can see there are 7 unique values in this column. Now I may want to analyze each value and see what all resides in them. I can uncheck and simply check the ones I want to look at. Maybe I need to do more and email information off to different departments. Well, that can get a little laborsome, especially if I have plenty of values, which is why I created the macro create tab per filter value, and I have this in a custom macros tab, and I'll show you what happens when I run this macro. It is going to loop through column D because I have it selected, find each unique value, and then create a tab for them. And not just create a tab, it's going to pull in the relevant information to each one of these values. And you can see as I walk through all 7 of these tabs what all now resides in there. So this is absolutely great. I love this macro. It helps you split out the information, get a broken down view of all what you're looking at, and it does it quickly. I absolutely want to know what you think of this macro. Thanks so much for your time. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you want to start using this macro today, just visit leveragelane.com. If you could do me another big favor, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us, follow us on all of our other social media channels, and as always, stay awesome.